Hey guys, hi. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my curly fro. I'm going to be doing it by the free strand twist method. So I'm working on old hair. I just had a high path. Itch. Let it go, let it free. So my hair is not freshly washed, guys. Just tell you this now. So if you see little specks and whatever, then just don't watch that. Anyways, I'm using my water bottle just to get some moisture into my hair. And I'm going to start by using my Creme of Nature Ultra Moisturising leave-in conditioner. When it comes to getting moisture into my hair, I use the LCO method, which is the leave-in cream and oil method. So I'm going to take that, I'm going to rub it in, rub, scrub, get it all in my hair. I'm gonna get it all in my hair and just make sure it kind of gets through. I'm not gonna basically use as much as you think, just to get it evenly throughout your hair. You don't have to overdo it, but also you want to get it feeling moisturized. So next what I'm going to use for my cream is my Creme of Nature moisturized milk. I'm going to squeeze that. I'm going to rub that over it also, and that just gets starts to get the moisture in. And then what I'm gonna do to seal is I use the oil, and the one that I use is, drumroll please, the Jamaican Castor oil. So yeah, I'm gonna get that and I'm gonna pour it in my hands. I'm gonna use that much. That's quite thick and I really love it. My hair absolutely loves it. So it just seals in the moisture, keeps my hair nice and moisturized, and gets it all soft and stuff. It's just lovely, absolutely lovely. So get that through, do a little shake, blah blah blah. And then next, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna start parting off my hair basically. So I'm going to start with the back because it just makes sense, it's the back. And I'm just going to part a line from the back of my hair. I normally part into about 3, and then I start with one section. And then I go in with my gummy gel. So this is the gel that I use to it gives it a really strong, firm hold, guys. I use a gummy gel. This is the best gel in the world when it comes to me doing braid out, twist out, curly fro, whatever, slicking my hair. This is the best thing. So I get it, I rub it in nice and smooth, gets it nice and slick and stuff. If I need to, I'll give it a little comb or a little brush through if my hair's a bit, if it's not freshly blow dried, obviously it's kind of still a bit curly and stuff from the previous hairstyle. So yeah, I'm just gonna get the gel, keep running it through till it's nice and slick, la la la. And then I'm going to start with my 3-stranded twist. Okay guys, so I've just inserted a little quick kind of clip of how to actually do the 3-strand twist, just a lot close up so that you guys can see it really, really clearly. Just continue to get the hair moisturized. As you can see, it's very defined by the gummy. The gummy is just perfect. It just defines my hair so much. So what I'm actually going to do first is I'm actually going to separate the hair into 3 pieces. And so as I said, I'm going to start by cane rowing cane row my hair basically, so that it just gets it stretched and stuff. So I'm going to cane row the hair at first, and then once I've done that, I'm literally going to have the 3 pieces separated again, and then as you can see, 1 2 3, and I'm going to start by overlapping the far end one over the other 2, and just keep that kind of rotation, keep that going basically. So you're going to hold the 2, have the 1, and have the far end one overlapping the 2, and then just keep grabbing the next one, as you can see. So yeah, that's really basically it. And just make sure that throughout the process you're just keeping the hair separated. And yeah, kind of looks a bit far up. But anyways, it's fine. So yeah, that's basically just how you do the 3-strand twist, and you just do that all over your hair. And yeah. I get to the end, I am going to be adding a perm rod. This perm rod gives it that nice kind of curl at the end, whereas if I didn't, it would kind of just be quite straggly. but then it will naturally kind of like curl up like into like a kind of coil in the end anyways. But I'm not going to do that. I want to have that nice kind of firm curl at the end. So I'm going to add my perm rods. So Mr. Grab the perm rod. Come on, girl, get the perm rod. Get it. I'm waiting on you. Get a perm rod. Oh, you slow as hell. Shoot. Yes, we can see it nice and moisturized. That's another thing, guys. Like, it's just showing. This is giving juicy. Like, the product is in. You want to make sure also the ends is very, very slick before you put the perm rods in it, so that it gives it a nice, like, firm, slick finish without any kind of like waves or kinks or anything like that. So make sure it's flat. Get the perm rod and wrap it like towards you. So you wrap it towards you, wrap, and you don't really want to, basically you want to like do the twist till close to the end of the hair and then do the perm rod. So that's how I like to do it, because I don't really want the perm rod curl to be so far up my hair, especially when it comes to stretching and stuff. So yeah, that's how I do that. And then I'm going to go on with just going towards like the back of the hair and doing the rest of the hair basically. Oh my gosh, guys, one mistake that I did in the beginning as well is that I didn't like braid first. So what I usually actually like to do, which I completely forgot on the first one, was I braid my hair first, like at the root, just so that it keeps it like stretched and stuff, and then I start the free strand twist. At first I started to get a bit confused because I was like, oh my gosh, braid to twist, and I haven't done a free strand twist in like a while, but we're good. We did it. And then, you know, fine, like end it off with the perm rod, curl it in nice, and you just clip the little thing from the bottom under there. Ta-da. By the way, I don't like do the perm rod all the way up the hair, so I let it kind of hang. So yeah. Next, guys, as you know, I am doing like a middle part in. It depends on where you want to kind of put your part in, how you do this part in terms of where you position the twist, but I'm doing a middle part in, so I'm getting a nice clean middle part in here, just so that I know, you know, each section is like a level, like even amount basically of what I will twist. Duh. Section of the hair, guys, so I can easily just start twisting the rest of it. And that's what I'm going to do. You want to do the twist all over your hair, okay, and you want to like make it even to a degree. You do want to kind of make it even. You can do them quite thick, but I do them quite medium size, to be honest. I don't do like loads, but I don't do like few either. So guys, with this one, I accidentally I ran out of perm rods, or I couldn't find the rest of them, so I had to use some flexi rods to kind of get that curl as well. But to be honest, I've only used 2 of them, so you don't really notice it. It's not a drastic change, if I'm honest. It's pretty much the same. It's not far off. So I just did that just to kind of compensate. And then yeah, this is the last one. Spray, spray, spray. Guys, also if your hair gets dry, you can wet it again. So you spray bottle, I wet my hair again, and then I went through with the gel, braid, twist, and then perm rod. And that's that. So we have finished with our twist. Thank God, it's all done. So yeah, as you can see, you're gonna see obviously the product in the hair, but that's fine. So now what I usually do is I would sit under a hooded dryer for at least an hour. This all depends on when I do my hair. So because it's the day before I'm going to take them out, I would at least sit under the hooded dryer for about an hour. You can go for 2 hours, but what you want to do is make sure that your hair is fully dry before you take it out, or you will have issues. You will have issues. If it's a little damp, don't worry, you can kind of pass that, but you want to make sure that overall your hair is about 95% to 98% dry minimum. And yeah, so I just get that, put on my hooded dryer, tighten it so there's no kind of gaps where any heat will come through, and then I will turn it on, and I will then go to bed after I have done it. Go to sleep and I wake up. What I actually decided to do here was I decided to sit under the dryer again in the morning just to kind of let it dry a bit more, basically just make sure it was a bit more dry and stuff. So your girl's beat the face. I'm gonna get my oil now just to make sure, just to reduce the frizz, the friction and stuff between your fingers and your hair. So I'm just gonna rub my fingers some oil, and then I'm gonna start unraveling my rolls. Woo, 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 slip, slip, slippity, slip, slip. And yeah, so we're gonna do that. And what you want to do is you want to unravel it in the reverse way, which is cool. Just gonna do that. You're gonna do all around your hair. You're gonna take time, guys. If it looks like I'm rushing, it's because I have to get to work, so that's why I'm rushing. I'm really sorry, but take your time. Take your time trying to do style when you're rushing, especially if you do it for the first time, or you will drive yourself mad. Because yeah, it's easy to mess up. Okay, so they're all out. Now what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to start from the bottom by separating the area where the perm rods have, done the curl and the twists. And with that, I'm now going to be making sure that when I'm separating, I'm going up, I'm separating the twist where it's already naturally separated. You do want to make sure, not to basically, separate where it can't really separate as hard, because then you will make frizz and it will just ruin it. So be very careful of that. Be very gentle also. And yep, you got that. As you can see, the definition, the curl. Love that, love that, love that, love that, love that, love that. It's all a bit fussy at the moment, but yeah, that's how it basically kind of comes out. So we're going to do that all around the hair. Take all of them out. As you can see, some length. We've got some length coming in. Whoop, whoop. now what I'm next gonna do is, like, there's actually some parts that are actually still a bit damp, like at the root, which is annoying. Like braids, they tend to do that, like they're just harder to just get through with the heat. So I'm just drying it just a little bit, just a little bit, just to dry it out before it just shrinks up and just drives me mad. Okay guys, so it's all out. Ooh, look at that definition. Look at the bounce. Oh my gosh, look at the bounce. Okay, so now this is where the magic happens, guys. This is where the magic happens. I'm going to be stretching my hair. Okay, this is how you get the volume. This is how you get the length, because obviously look how short it is. It's short. I got a little length, you know what I'm saying? They ain't showing the length. So when I get the hair dryer, I'm gonna pull my hair at like the ends. I'm gonna cover the ends, but at the roots is where I'm gonna blow dry it. So I'm gonna blow dry the roots, which gives me the stretch. Oh my gosh, look at my face. Ugh, gosh, why am I making these faces? And as you can see, guys, look, length in comparison to that side. Yeah, magic. I'm gonna do it a bit more. What you want to do is you do want to be a bit delicate when it comes to this time. You don't want to overdo it, because then what will happen is that you will have like straight hair. It will be like blow dry straight hair, and then you've got the curls. You don't want to overdo it. You need to be a little bit careful. So you're basically going to do that all around the hair. But when it comes to the top of the hair, guys, you are literally going to do it like a little bit. You're going to do it a little bit, because what you don't want to do, you don't want to ruin the curl pattern on top of your hair, because that's going to cover like the bits that get a bit straight. Just do it just a tad. Mistakes I've made before in the past is like doing it so much, and it just looks a bit weird in my opinion. It just ruins the hairstyle. So just be very, very delicate at this moment. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my afro pick, and I'm going to just pick it at the roots and fluff it out. This gives it the volume. This gives it, just some fluff to it. This gives some nice, thickness and stuff. So that's all you're literally going to do. It's going to get it. You're going to pick. If you need to separate a few more, just separate a few more. And yeah, look at that side in comparison to the other side. Voila. So yeah guys, this is basically like the finished look. I'm just gonna go through a bit extra picking, and yeah, I could do my baby hairs at the front, but it's not that deep. Like, you can if you want to, but I think I left mine a bit. But this is it. This is the definition of this is what it looks like at the back, nice and bouncy and curly. Ooh, I love. Comment down below what you guys think. This is my first like hair video tutorial stuff, so let me know how I did. English. Let me know how I did, guys. Comment down below if you try this hairstyle, if like using the way, like my method and stuff. and let me know how it went and stuff. And yeah, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Ooh, bye. Oh yeah, just get a little close up. Look at that. Look at the juicy curls. Oh, guys, I love this hairstyle. I'm not gonna lie, I love it. Anyways, bye.